All I've wanted to do all my life is play the clarinet. Maybe if I click this link and register for band, I'll find that ability.
Now entering the band portal.
Where am I? I feel so different. I think... Wait, yes. I am a clarinet player. I've seen this before. This is my clarinet case. Before I start to assemble, I'm going to make sure that it's on a flat surface or on the ground and not on my lap. I'm going to make sure that the label is facing up. I'm going to unlatch it. Before I assemble, I'm going to take a mental picture so I remember where everything goes. This must be my reed. I'm going to be very careful. Reeds are very delicate. I never want to touch the top of the reed. I'm going to take it out of the case. See, there's a flat side and a rounded side. I'm going to take the flat side and put it against my tongue in my mouth to get it wet before we play. That's required to make a good sound. Next, I'm going to get my mouthpiece and my barrel. I'm going to carefully twist them together. I'm not going to force them. I'm going to twist them. I'll set that aside for later. Next, I'm going to find the upper joint and the lower joint. As I bring these together, I'm going to be careful not to put any pressure on the rods. That can bend them. It can damage the clarinet. I'm going to carefully twist together. And there's an important part I want to look for. This is my bridge key. I want to make sure that it's aligned. Next, I'm going to put the bell on the clarinet, gradually twisting together. And finally, I'm going to take the mouthpiece and barrel. I'm going to twist that together on top, making sure that I align the opening of the mouthpiece with the tone hole on the back of the clarinet. And finally, after my reed's gotten a little bit wet, I'm going to carefully slip that under the ligature, and I'm going to align it so that there's a pencil-thin line of mouthpiece showing above the top of the reed. Then I'm going to carefully tighten the top screw just so that it's snug, and then the bottom screw. Now my clarinet is assembled, and I'm ready for the next lesson.